The truth.
Why not?
Gary was not available.
You know what? Nag-viral talaga. Yung naglalakad sila sa California na parang tinatanong ni Martin kung bakit nga ba siyang pinuduce.
It's a heart-to-heart conversation. How about exercise? Bro, I want to know, what made you think of the concert for me? His answer?
Gary V was not available. No, that's
what friends are for. Do you think you're serious, huh?
Biro
lang yan, ha? Biro.
Joke lang yun.
He really wasn't available.
Hindi ganito po yan. It was...
Di ba ba last time eh? Hindi mo gagawin ulit. It was gawin ulit mga December.
Exactly, December.
December, yeah.
Yes.
Well, yes.
Even press
Alito ako. Yeah, it was the Christmas special of ABS-CBN. Pareho kami, we have the same dressing room.
Yes,
anyway,
always.
magkasama kami, so now we were chit-chatting. I was with him, I was with Joy, I think I was with Eugene at the time. So, nag-uusap na kami ng plans for 2024, ganyan. And then, so I kind of asked him, oh, what are you doing in concert? Sabi ko, he didn't actually know.
No, I didn't.
So sabi ko, oh, let's produce your concert. So sabi niya, ikaw, gusto mo. So akala niya hindi ako seryoso.
That easy. We haven't even talked about price. It's true.
Yeah.
I said, you know, have you heard about my rates? We
haven't spoken to Joy. Kakay knows.
She knows.
So when we put it together, sabi ko, okay, let's do it. And then we kept meeting, and then I asked Kakay to join us, and thank you, Kakay, for saying yes.
Thank you for believing in me.
Kakay is the best producer
in
our family.
All of Regine's successful shows.
All of Regine. And of course, she also produced for us before, for me. I think Summer.
Our collabs, yeah.
All the collabs, the four of us. So, you know, best that we have her join us. And then some friends of mine from 18. So here we are. We're you know, C.C. Martin is very, very humble. You know, very humble. And he doesn't want to be called king. But he is our king. Right? He is our concert king. So if he doesn't want to say, I will say, he's the concert king.
We will say.
He's the concert king forever.
Well, I got that title from the press. His
Hey,
name. You know who's the one who called me concert king? Papa Castillo. People's Journal, People's Tonight. People's Journal. But he meant it sarcastically. Kasi galit siya sa akin, di ko alam bakit. Only right before he passed, nagiging friends kami. We never saw each other, we didn't have anything. I don't think Bob used to go to press cons eh.
Rarely.
Very rarely. So I don't even know what he looks like except sa picture. He was being, yung concert king ko, no? Something like that. So that became my title.
Wala pala yung title.
Yung Kuno.
Concert king Kuno.
Concert king forever Kuno.
So
parang Garna Kuno.
So si Bob
Castillo, you were not born yet.
And he's dead?
He passed away.
Pero inabutan mo siya.
I'm sure.
Editor pa noong time. Hindi na siya masyado nakalabas. Si Tita Aso yung pinapalabas niya.
Hindi kasi nabutang Ben Maria.
Aso, you remember?
Kaibigan niya sila nung...
He didn't like me before, remember? You know, he didn't like me. Neither did you, but anyway. But you like Pops. But then, because you like Pops, you ended up loving me, right? That's our relationship. Yeah, we did.
Why?
This is not your press con. This is my press con. Let them ask the questions.
Yeah, but I'm
You're curious.
So anyway, he is the concert king. He's our concert king.
The one and only.
And he's our concert king forever.
Thank you, Augie.
Ang sarap, no, Martin, no? Produce ka na, talagang super blessed pa si Augie na.
I think you should hold it by the, you're holding it so tight, I think you're just excited to be holding it.
Nakaka-excite. Mic na kasi nahawak.
Hawakan mo yung microphone.
Wala akong nahawak.
Jeff?